Welcome to another home tour by Ohmyhome. Today we are at District 15 in Singapore at Fort Road to show you a loft-style apartment. First, let me tell you about this development. This is Fulcrum, located at 33 Fort Road, completed in 2016. This development is a freehold property. It consists of 128 units in a 28-story single block development. This location is so convenient. East Coast Park is just a stroll away via the underpass. The upcoming Katong MRT station, which is part of the Thomson-East Coast Line, will be right by your doorstep. And then for food eateries and amenities, you've got Old Airport Road, you have the National Stadium, you have Parkway Parade and all the trendy cafes all nearby. This is truly a lifestyle district. This development has all the usual condo facilities such as your gymnasium, children's playground, spa pools. But what is interesting is that this development not only just have one pool on the ground floor, it's got two other pools, one on the 13th floor and one on the 15th floor, with views of the city. Best spot to be if you want to catch the fireworks on National Day and New Year's Eve. Now this unit is located just by the poolside. It is a one-bedroom, 560 square feet unit, the only one of such type in the entire development. Now don't be fooled by the size because it is really larger than what you think. The typical ceiling height of a HDB flat is about 2.6 meters and about 3 meters for a condo. However, for loft units, they start from 3.3 meters and can go as high as 6 meters. The unit I'm going to show you today is one of them. And the owners wanted an industrial feel just like how it is in New York. So they've made use of raw materials like this wooden steps to give it an unfinished feel, and then the metal rails and structure completes the look. This first mezzanine area is the study, and with its large windows overlooking the pool and the trees, one has got to feel inspired here. Now let me show you the kitchen. You can expect the usual quality finishes and appliances in a high-end boutique development. You have top and bottom cabinets by Bloom, built-in fridge and freezer by Bosch, and cooker hood, hob and oven by Gargano. And you've got this washer-dryer that is cleverly tucked away in this built-in cabinet. And with the sofa placed here, you can install a projector and enjoy a cozy movie night right at home. And now we are at the bedroom area. These wardrobes were originally provided by the developer, which includes the drawers and soft close hinges. And now we are at the second mezzanine area where the bedroom is. It's big enough to hold a queen-size bed. Unlike some other loft units where you might have a problem standing up fully, you won't have a problem with this one. There's enough space below this mezzanine area for you to create extra storage space, more wardrobe space, or even a desk. Two people can have Zoom meetings at the same time without disturbing each other, and all this within 560 square feet. Amazing! Finally, this spacious separate shower and toilet bathroom. Loft-style living is an attractive home style. It is for somebody who wants to work and live under the same space, somewhere fun and full of character to come home to. So if you have the opportunity, make the choice. Live life and live in the loft. So if you like what you see, contact us at 6886 9009.